What would change in your life if you got 10 to 15 hours back every single week? More time with your family, better health, more profits, less stress? Or would you finally feel back in control of your business again? If you're a business owner with a team of at least 5 people, this message is for you. My name is Laurie McNaughton, and I'm the founder of Scale Up Business Solutions. For over 22 years now, I've worked with small business owners, helping them scale up, increase profits, build accountable teams, and free up their time. And here's what I've learned. Most business owners don't have a time problem. They have a leadership pattern problem. At the beginning, your business grows because you work hard, you solve problems, you jump in, you make things happen. But as your team grows, something shifts. You jump in to help, your team steps back, you get busier, they rely on you more, and before long, you become the bottleneck. That's not scaling, that's survival. There's actually neuroscience behind this. Neurons that fire together wire together. The more you rescue your team, the more your brain and their brains reinforce that pattern. Your reticular activating system starts scanning for problems instead of opportunities. You begin living in reaction mode, and reaction mode kills strategic growth. Think about your week. How much time are you spending answering questions, fixing mistakes, chasing accountability, or putting out fires? If your time is worth $250 an hour and you lose just 10 hours a week, that's over $100,000 a year in leadership value. But the real cost isn't just financial. It's stress, it's fatigue, it's missing family moments, it's losing the energy to think bigger. Step one is simple. Track your time for a week and ask yourself this question. Is this something only I can do? Most business owners discovered that 30 to 50% of what they're doing could be handled by someone else with the right structure. The next step is an identity shift. You got to move from hero to architect, from firefighter to builder, from operator to leader. Your business will always grow to the level of your identity. Freedom doesn't come from working harder, it comes from structure. Clear roles, clear KPIs, clear meetings, clear accountability. When your team knows what winning looks like, they stop needing you for everything. I worked with a business owner running a $4 million company. He was a success on paper, but he was stressed out and reactive. He shifted his leadership identity. He started building systems and building his team. He created clarity, and over time, that business grew to over $50 million. Same market, different leader. Imagine walking into your business and feeling calm. Your team is solving problems. You work on the growth instead of chaos. 10 to 15 hours of your week back. That's not fantasy. That's structure plus leadership. If this feels a bit like you, go to scaleperformancesystems.com or go to the link in the description and book yourself a discovery call. We'll look at where your time is leaking and what the possibility is over the next 90 days. You don't need more hours. You need a new pattern. Let's build it.